So we got this Chevy Camaro RS. It's got stock mufflers on it right now. Let you guys hear it before. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. It has we're gonna put a kit on it, the BORLA ATAKS kit. Let you guys hear it in after. Hope you guys enjoy it. 2017 Chevy Camaro RS. Still got the factory converters up there. Then it's got secondary converters right here. Then a factory or aftermarket X pipe installed somewhere else. And then we just installed these BORLA ATAKS on this side and this side with the dual outlets. 4-inch tips, BORLA ATAKS. If you guys want to purchase those, you can see in the link in the description. I think it's going to sound good. It's an RS Chevy Camaro. Came out really nice. I like how it's nice and tucked. Let you guys hear in a minute. BORLA ATAKS. This is the after. Let you guys hear on the inside. Sounds like on idle. Beast mode! Wow!